What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So it seems as if Musa Mseleku is blaming Tirelo for ruining Mpumelelo's life. This is a bold statement, being made publicly for blaming Tirelo for all the troubles that have befallen his son Mpumelelo. So during a tense family discussion, Musa pointed fingers at Tirilo, and sort of like accusing her of causing unnecessary drama that may have like ultimately affected Mpumelelo's life. So this accusation, is taken mainly by surprise because Musa Mseleko was one of the people who actually like defended Tirelo and wanted her to be a part of Mpumelelo's life. But this is actually like a surprise even to me because this is like a huge turnaround. Like, how can somebody turn around like that? Because Musa Mseloko was there and standing with Tirelo supporting her. Maybe one of the reasons why he may be blaming Tirelo is because she may have failed, to stop her from being entering into polygamy like him, because he may be realizing that polygamy is actually not a good thing. So he may be like trying to blame Tirelo for not like knocking sense into Mpumelelo, because we all know that Musa Mseleko himself, he failed to knock sense into Mpumelelo. No matter how much he tried, Mpumelelo never listened back to his own father. At least that's how I can analyze and break it down. He may be blaming Tirelo for failing to knock sense into Mpumelelo's head. So this is sort of like, it's called shifting the blame, because this was his duty and responsibility, but somehow he is offloading it onto Tirelo and running away from that part of the responsibility. Anyway, that's how I see.